What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Knuckles Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page. We're going to draw a large half circle for the bottom of the head. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this down, go across and in towards the middle, and then bend that back up towards the right, towards the same height. Now we're going to move to the center, come all the way down towards the bottom, draw a circle for the nose, add a small circle across the top for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now I'm going to go out to the side of the nose and draw the top edge of the muzzle. So let's start on the left. We come down and up, go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we'll round out the cheek and come in towards the bottom. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. So we're going to start on the end with a bracket, and then from here we're going to come in and then down. Now from here we're going to go back to the nose and draw the top edge of the brow. We're starting in the center with a straight line going up, go over towards the left side. We're going to bend this up, go all the way out towards the outside, and then go to the right. We're going to line this up, going up and then out. Let's tuck the side of the eye in behind. So we're going to step in, curve around, and then in on top of the cheeks. Now let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the top left, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down, around, and then up. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's trace the eyes on the inside. And we'll fill the center of the eyes in black. Now along the top, we're just going to enhance the brow with two curves. One on the left going up and out, and one on the right. Now before we go any further, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left side, draw a straight angle line, coming all the way down towards the bottom, move over towards the right side, coming down and out so it gets wider, and we'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Now I'm going to add that detail across the top of the body. Let's connect these two lines with a curve, coming down and then up. Go back to the side, we're going to come down further in the middle, and then back up towards the right. Now I want to leave a gap along the side and draw the top of the head. So we're just going to line this up, we're going to go up, go across, and then down. Let's draw on that first spike, starting back on the left, bend this out, come around, and then in towards the bottom, and then do the exact same thing on the right, going around, down, and then in. Let's bend this back up underneath the cheek. We're going to go up and then in. Now I want to layer one more spike in between the side and the body. So let's start up here, step down, goes down and in. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're just going to pull this up towards the side of the body. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw Knuckles Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.